And where do you see the interest rates going from here? Some people are already saying, yeah, the rates are going high. Do you think they're going to stay around? What's the range right now?
The range right now is definitely in the mid fours.
In the mid fours.
Low to mid fours, assuming, all perfect conditions, perfect FICO, perfect down payment amount, perfect everything. But the experts are predicting that rates will continue to rise. If you're paying attention to the Fed and what their plans are, they plan on raising the rate many times this year, their federal funds rate. So they're just trying to keep up with inflation, raise the rates, make sure people can make some money in the markets. But that also comes with higher interest rates for mortgages. Historically speaking, rates have only ever been under 4% 3 times in history. And the 2 most recent times were recently. People might think that the rate is high if they've never owned a home before, but if they've owned a home in the 90s or early 2000s, they know that the rate can be as high as 8 to 15% on a home loan. Yeah. So having rates in the 4s might be higher than the 3s and might be a little bit more uncomfortable for some, but it's still a great time to buy and start taking advantage of some of the rising appreciation that you can get by buying a home. So whether the rate's in the 4 or the 5s, it's still a great time to buy. There will always be an opportunity to refinance. Maybe not today, maybe not in 6 months, but eventually rates will drop again because they always do.
They always do.
They always go up and they always go down.
Yeah, it's funny. Yesterday we were speaking to someone after the open house, and he was saying he's one of the original homeowners who bought maybe in the 1960s or 70s.
Oh, wow.
And the interest rate was about 20%.
Right.
But the price of the house was about, how much was it, Mihao? Like 30,000?
Yeah, he said 30.
It's about 30,000. That same house that's worth probably over $1 million.
Exactly,
right now.
yeah.
That's crazy.
It is insane.